Battery replacement for your ADT Doorbell camera.
Hello there. In today's video, we are going to talk about a common issue faced by ADT Doorbell camera users, replacing the battery. Is it necessary to remove your ADT Doorbell camera from the wall to replace the battery? Let's find out together.
Do ADT Doorbell cameras have removable batteries?
The first thing we need to establish is whether your ADT Doorbell camera model has a removable battery. Most models of ADT Doorbell cameras are hardwired into your home's electrical system and do not have removable batteries. They use the electricity from your home to power on and do not require battery changes. However, some ADT Doorbell camera models might have a backup battery, but this battery usually isn't user replaceable and is intended to provide power during short-term outages.
What if my ADT Doorbell camera isn't working?
If your ADT Doorbell camera isn't working, it's likely not a battery issue if it's a hardwired model. It could be a problem with the power supply or the wiring. In these cases, it's recommended to contact a professional or ADT support for assistance to avoid any risk of electrical injury. For issues related to software or connectivity, a simple restart or reset may solve the problem. However, if the problem persists, reaching out to ADT's customer support is the best course of action. So, to answer the initial question, in most cases, you will not need to remove your ADT Doorbell camera from the wall to replace the battery, as most models don't have a user replaceable battery. In case of any trouble with your doorbell camera, always reach out to the professionals to help you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.